Let's also delve deeper into the Reliance fund days, where the Reliance Mutual Fund days, where you like were one of the best equity fund managers, and the returns also grew at a CAGR of 30%, if I'm not wrong.
I think 27-28%.
27-28%.
Yeah.
Yeah, the returns were 27-28%. So can you talk about your friendship with Mr. Sunil Singhania, who was also there, and your partnership with him, and कैसे आपने scale किया था इतना AUM in those days?
So again, because of my sheer determination, one of my friend told me that if you want to succeed in life and you want to change gear, you need to change the canvas, right? Because unless and until you get into a big platform, you will not be able to really get the best out of your life and your skill set. So, and I asked him, which is the platform? And he said, Reliance is the best platform. And it was very difficult to get hired by Reliance in those days. Even now, it is difficult. So, but I got into Reliance and I was very lucky. My boss was very supportive, Amitabh Jhunjhunwala and both Anil Bhai, they were very, very supportive. So, when I got in, this mutual fund was like 29th in 29 places. And there they did not hire me to run the mutual fund actually. They just hired me because they found me entrepreneurial. And in early days, I did some work which was very good from a group perspective. So they got that confidence that yes, I can do things. So one day I went and told my boss that there's nothing happening in the mutual fund. Why don't you allow me to run it? And my skill set is there. So he said that, okay, run it. And we had only 12 crore rupees, 6 crores in Reliance Growth Fund and 6 crore in Reliance Mutual Fund. So Amitabh had a lot of conviction because he had built Kothari Mutual Fund before. And he knew that the potential of mutual fund is very large in India. So he had a great vision. And so to that extent, he got a early start. I was the first one to join. And then Sunil was the next person. I must honestly confess that, Sunil is one of my really good friends in the business. And we have remained friends now for almost 25 years, right? It's like more a family. And then we hired Ashwani Kumar, we hired Sailesh Rajbhan, and we created a team. And the uniqueness, Kushal, of our team was, maybe it was by chance, that I did not hire anyone with the fund management background. I would not lie to you that it was by design. Maybe it was somewhere in my mind consciously that if we hire people with fixed ideas, they will try to replicate only those fixed ideas. So we wanted people who had. Sunil was not a fund manager before he came to Reliance. Neither was Ashwini. Ashwini was an analyst. Sailesh was an analyst working somewhere. So we did not hire people with fund management background. So it was a great team. I was, of course, the leader, but it was a great team. And we built kind of a family, basically. And we were all very passionate about investing. And then, of course, the tailwind was there with us, 2002-3. Markets started doing well. And before that, something which was life-turning for me had happened before I joined Reliance. And I must converse about that. That was my really introduction to Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, because before I met with him, a stock market was really like the means to make only a better living for me. Like it was a source of income generation. I had no real idea, Kushal Lodha, that you can create thousands of crore rupees of wealth and how to become like a long-term investor and how to compound money, etc., etc. And by design, I had not read a lot of Warren Buffett books in early part of my career, right? So for me, I was very happy, even 91 to 98, till the time I met with him, because, I used to make a lot of money and it was a happy situation to be in. But when I met with him, That is when the real thought process changed. And I really realized the true potential of markets. Before that, I was trying to do broking. And that's all I realized that, if you are in a fund management business, you will get. So that was the real foundation.
If you learned something new from this video, do share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel so that we can bring you the best content possible. Also, if you want to watch this entire episode, click on the link in the description box and you can go to Kushal Lodha YouTube channel and watch the entire podcast episode. Thank you so much for watching this and have an amazing day.